This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Christina here with us this morning. Christina came all the way here from Hutto, Texas, and she's really excited to be here and get her first adjustment at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. I've already done her history and examination. Was that a thorough history and exam? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're going to just show you a couple of highlights here. I'm going to have you flex your head forward and backwards. Now see, I can tell she's a side sleeper because her head's forward and to the right of center and her pelvis has shifted left of center. She's starting to get a little bit of a increased kyphosis up here in her upper thoracics as a result of her head being forward. So this being her first adjustment, I'm going to adjust her on the BioPhysics table first. So let's go ahead and lay you back on your tummy now, face in there. Okay, I'm going to right SI joint first, then her left one, and both of them were sore upon palpation, and then her sacrum, straight superior to inferior on the y-axis. L5 is straight P to A on the z-axis. There's L4. Some of these will be a little sore at first, Christina, because they've been out for a long time. They'll feel better when it quits hurting. There we go. That's one of my favorite lines. There we go. Okay, let me get this one more time. Just exhale. Okay, toughie. You're definitely on the tight side, but I know just what to do for that. Let's go on your back for me. There we go. See, I'm bringing your head up and over your shoulders with this one. And now if you'll put your arms straight out to the sides, palms facing up. Adjust your shoulders, your clavicles, where they attach to the sternum, and then the anterior costosternal joints. That popping that you've been feeling up there, that's your ribs misaligned. They're misaligned in the back with the thoracic spine, in the front with the sternum. There you go. Now you should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your lower back. Yep. Mm-hmm. Same here. Oh, good girl. Good job. Okay, let's sit you up and face towards Chelsea. There we go. And we're just getting started. There, crack addict's gonna love you. And Christina is a self-professed crack addict. That's how she found us.
Yep. 2.5 hours drive to come see you.
You drove 2.5 hours to get here.
Uh-huh.
Wow. There we go. That's a girl. See, you're noisy everywhere too.
I am. Overdue for alignment.
This is the first full body adjustment you've ever had?
Yes.
Okay. So let's come over here and give you what you came for.
I know what this is.
Get to be our ring dinger of the week.
Did you ever get those things fixed?
Not yet. The guy that slid up underneath that was supposed to fix them has been unreliable. So we got some guys here in Houston working on it now. There we go.
Well, you really got me locked in there.
Yep, not going anywhere. And once you get away, without getting the ring dinger.
And I know I'm supposed to sleep like this.
Yep, you have been watching.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There we go. Just keep your teeth together, breathe through your nose. Yes, ma'am, home run.
Wow.
I know you felt that all the way down.
Wow.
And that's a wow adjustment.
Wow. Did you hear that?
I did.
Wow.
I think they heard that one out in the parking lot. There. Okay, just let me do it. There you go. Good job. Yes, ma'am. You can breathe a sigh of relief now.
Yeah.
It's over.
That's good stuff.
Yeah, it is. Okay. When you get up, turn sideways and push yourself up with your arm. Kind of, yep, push yourself up sideways. Stand right here in front of the mirror for me again. I'm going to have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me. And then neutral. Okay, see you're still a little forward and to the right. Pull your shoulders up and back. Hold those there. Flare these way back here. Okay, see you're extending first. I want you to come back this way first. You're to the right, so we go left. Now look at the wall behind you. You're going to feel a little tap right there. You're going to feel another little tap right there. Okay, now relax, and let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me again. That should have felt smoother that time. Take a look in the mirror, right down the middle everywhere. See, you got space on both sides now.
Wow, my shoulders are...
They're level.
Yeah.
So, do you feel better than when you walked in the door?
Uh-huh.
So, how would you describe your very first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
Awesome.
Great.
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you for sharing your story with everyone. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.